and students will have a great deal of interest on that. But keeping such things in perspective, celebrating today as we celebrate Gravitas, I would like for the students to look ahead and take us to very prominent place in space and all the other sciences and technologies. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I would now like to call upon our student organizer, Mr. Jyoti Prakash, to introduce to us our guest of honor, Shri V. Vishwanathan, Senior Manager, HR, Wipro Technologies.
A very good evening to one and all present here. I'm extremely honored as today we have among us Mr. V. Vishwanathan. He is a Senior Manager in HR Department, Wipro Technologies. As we all know, he has been closely associated with VIT. He acquired his BE in Electronics and Telecommunication from SRM Engineering in the year 1996 and proceeded to pursue his MBA from ICFAI Business School in 1998. His illustrious career path extends for more than 13 years of experience in HR, focusing primarily in talent acquisition. He has been an integral part of Wipro Technologies since 2008. His multi-dimensional personality reflects in his work too. He is presently the head of talent acquisition for Wipro centers in Chennai and Kochi, as well as national heads of engineering campus hiring across the country. Many don't know that he is an avid lover of reading books and an ardent cricket fan. In the placement circle, he is also known as Vishy. He has seen VIT grow through years and has been closely associated with VIT for the past 10 years. VIT has shared a beautiful relationship with Wipro, and he is the man behind this successful association, which has now led VIT to be declared Wipro's trusted academic partner. Wipro is the major sponsor for this Gravitas and has been constantly supportive. Sir, on behalf of the whole university, I thank you for taking time to grace this occasion with your presence. We are really grateful to have such an eminent personality among us. It is my honor to call Mr. V. Vishwanathan on the dais to enlighten and encourage us.
Respected Chief Guest of the Day, respected Vice Chancellor, Chancellor, Vice Presidents, Heads of the Departments, Deans, Faculty members, Press, Media, and my dear student friends, a very good morning to you all. It's indeed a great honor as well as privilege to be here as part of this inaugural function of Gravitas. And of course, Wipro and VIT, we share an extremely good relationship in terms of it's not only hiring we do, with VIT, we have a tie-up for an MS program which we give in Wipro, a program called Vista. And then, of course, we have a tie-up in terms of our Mission 10X program, which is our faculty development program. VIT has been a nodal center, and it's been a key contributor in terms of success of that program as well. So, we have a long history in terms of course, recruiting from VIT. Personally, I've been here for more than last 10 years, at least representing Wipro, and at least I would have made the presentation for Wipro in the same auditorium at least 6 or 7 times. So it's always a nice feeling to come back to VIT. And, of course, this Gravitas, personally, I've been here last year as well for the event. So when, VIT came up in terms of request for sponsorship, we thought it will be an extremely good platform for us to, promote Wipro as well as, sponsor this event. That's how Wipro got into sponsoring, this great event. In terms of, the theme is also equally exciting. In terms of Wipro, we strongly believe in two things. One is innovation, and second thing is, of course, focus on green. And there's a strong, coincidence in terms of, Gravitas also mainly focuses on these two areas. This year, of course, green has been identified as a theme for Gravitas. And of course, innovation is something which will definitely happen in the size of this event with almost, more than 20,000 people participating from different campuses. So friends, so I like to make it short in terms of my speech. So first, I like to thank the organizers and VIT for giving us this opportunity to be here as a main sponsor, as well as personally for giving me an opportunity to be here among this illustrious audience. And what I would like to say is, please make use of the opportunity. Next 3 days, you have a whole lot of exciting events that's already been planned. And these kind of engagements clearly gives an opportunity to network. There are so many people who will be coming across the country, so it gives you an ideal platform for all of you to network with people from other universities, other college. And second thing is, the latest gets discussed, in terms of the various topics or the events that's been planned. It gives you an, in terms of opportunity to know what is exactly the latest, what is happening in different areas. So that's something which is very, very essential for all of us to succeed. We should be always on top of the technology curve, understand what are the latest emerging technologies and what is the latest that's coming up. So use the opportunity to understand what is really happening around us. And then, personally, we all need to continuously look at updating ourselves. The moment we stop learning, it's very tough for us to really grow. So focus on learning, make the opportunity to network with a whole lot of people who are going to be part of this program, and also, help yourself to enrich yourself in terms of what is happening around us. So once again, all the best for the success of this event, and I sincerely hope this event becomes a greater success than the previous years. And thank you very much for the opportunity.
Thank you, sir. I now call upon Ms. Kasturi Prakash, student organizer, to introduce our guest of honor, Shri A.B. Mandal, Director, CLRI.
A very good morning to one and all present here. Today, we are honored to have with us a dignitary who has held numerous posts till date and has to his name even more honors and awards. It is my privilege to introduce to VIT University Dr. Asad Baran Mandal, who is currently the Director of Central Leather Research Institute. A man holding numerous prestigious degrees, he started off with a bachelor's degree in science with chemistry honors from the University of Burdwan and master's and doctoral degrees in chemistry from Jadavpur University, Kolkata. He carried out his postdoctoral research at the chemistry department of Saskatchewan, Canada, and has represented the Indian science community in host countries including Canada, USA, UK, Germany, Singapore, Italy, and Japan. Dr. Mandal is also an honorary professor of leather technology at Anna University, Chennai, and is one of the editorial board members of the International Journal of Surface Science and Technology and Proceedings from the Indian Academy of Sciences. Apart from holding numerous posts in various professional, scientific, academic bodies, not only in India and all over the world, Dr. Mandal also has a broad range of interests in research in developmental and industrial fields. He is an extremely productive scientist and has contributed significantly to his area of specialization. Dr. Mandal's path-breaking contributions to science are valuable and noteworthy. He is the recipient of several awards, which include Tamil Nadu Scientist Award, Bharatiya Siksha Ratna Award, and CSIR Technology Prize for Business Development and Technology Marketing. Dr. Mandal is also an elected Fellow of the Indian Academy of Sciences, Bangalore, Fellow of the Royal Society of Chemistry, UK, and the Fellow of Madras Science Foundation. He has also been the co-author of over 175 publications in reference journals and has 20 patents to his credit. Sir, it is indeed a matter of great honor to have you with us today, and I would like to request you to share a few words with us.
Thank you, Kasturi, for introducing me with the audience. Vanakkam, namaskar. Respected Chief Guest, Dr. P.S. Veera Raghavan, Director of Bikram Space and Sarabhai Research Center. Respected Chancellor, Dr. Govindaswamy Viswanathan, respected Vice Chancellor Dr. Raju, B. Raju, and other distinguished guests in the audience, on the dais and off the dais, faculty members, students, press media persons, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Very good morning to all of you. It's indeed my pleasure to be here in the GRAVITAS, that's called Gravitas function in 2011. Before starting, I'd like to say something. It is very ethical point of view, something. Just joking, don't take it seriously. It is written there against my name, Sri Asit Varan Mandal. But introduction by doctor. Yes, I have achieved my PhD degree, as you know, in 1981 from one of the premier universities in our country, Jadavpur University, Calcutta. I used to travel in a train those days when I was young, because a doctor degree was there, so one child was suffering. So the parent coming, sir, do you have medicine and all? Could you kindly help my child is suffering? I told, I am not a medical doctor. Okay. So, you know, but I have some homeopathy medicine. I have something, if you believe, you take. So they took and it was okay, cured. Okay. So something that way. Then this was the problem. That's why I didn't like doctor also sometime. So I used to put before that name professor doctor, to avoid that kind of thing, terminology, because I am honorary professor of Anna University, one of the premier institutions in our country also, as you know. So this is the kind of thing. Now how do I start? This is it's a student function to interact and all these things. My way of talking is a little bit different way. So another one thing, it was like that. Why I am telling this kind of thing is more important. When I took over as a charge as director of Central Leather Institute, and almost I was 2 years, 8 months as acting director. Then when I had been permanent, say regularized 2 years, after that from our CSR institution somebody wrote acting director. I think this is a matter of shame. If you do not know your own institute or neighboring, that is very bad. So I had no other alternative. Immediately I telephoned to that director. What is that you have written? You were also acting director once upon a time, 6 months, and prior to that I was there for a long time. So what is your reaction? So he said, I feel sorry. I feel sorry. I didn't know, I just blindly signed. I told, doesn't matter, but because this mistake was carrying forward repeatedly. Similarly, my predecessor, Dr. Ramaswamy, was a very well-known, renowned scientist. He was a director of Central Leather Institute, and he became secretary of Department of Science and Technology. But this is the fact that one of the colleagues from DST wrote a letter to Dr. T. Ramaswamy, director CLRI, and it came to me. But he was already 2 years, he was secretary to Department of Science and Technology. Then I think this is not correct. If you do not know your own organization, some other thing, that's why I want to tell you, one has to be careful in this kind of thing. Don't mistake anything. And this is my second visit to VIT, the great institute. I came first visit with my professor under whom I did my PhD degree, Professor S.P. Maulik. I visited here. My professor came here, you know, for medical treatment to CMC, just for checkup, Christian Medical College. So on the way, I thought, why I not visit VIT, the great institute here. So I came with my professor, and I visited first that chemistry department, where one senior professor now, he's a good friend of, not good friend, I can say our student-like kind of thing. He is Dr. Vijay Raghavan, and he is a nephew of the great scientist, Dr. T. Ramaswamy. Okay, so casual visit without any prior intimation I visited, and I visited all this thing. I was really happy. And now this is my privilege and opportunity to visit the second time as a guest of honor of course, I have visited, covered many places here, and there are many colleges, engineering, academic research institutions, many places. I have got the privilege. So how do I start? A white rabbit put on his spectacle and asked His Majesty, where shall I begin? Majesty replied, please begin at the beginning and proceed till you come to the end. So ladies and gentlemen, please let me begin at the beginning. Of course, time is very important. I cannot go on talking for a longer time, but I'll teach some of the things to you, not you, particularly for the student community. You must know what is necessary, what is lacking in your scientific society as a whole. That's what I wanted to tell you. Now, I'll very quickly speak, because time is more important. As you know, I was reading BIT's brochure and manual, all these kind of things. So many things are covered all over the world, whatever is happening, everything, discipline. But main thing, I wanted to tell you some other thing. I passed my higher secondary technical group, engineering. My teacher used to ask me, what actually will be in your profession? I told I'll be a chief engineer, because technical background I had. But man proposes, God disposes. I didn't join engineering because of some problem. I didn't. I got